Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. We there chat with Beris.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we watch his storm.
Yeah, man.
So, what go on, Beris?
While I'm there, I go and fret out, you know. Yeah, and likewise, I both them. Yeah, know it's time to keep off everybody, so protection, me done prepare for them already and make them secure place. So I'm farming now in a bush. I eat me and talk about. Yeah, cause right now, I eat me deal with and I don't know how me I go manage when the storm come, cause everything I got dead off.
Yeah, so how the hurricane are going to affect like local farmers?
Yeah,
such as yourself?
right, as a now, I be a crop. I be a plant tomato, cabbage, pepper, and love the water. Yeah, so right now we don't know how we are going to, most of them dead already. Yeah, it continually rain, so right, as a now the frustration there, poverty, depend way, we don't know what we are doing right now. And then any man can go back after a storm. Everything mash up, house mash up, field mash up, animals dead, banana, planting, tomato, everything dead. So you know all one banana you have to pay all $5,000 fee. One finger plant you have to pay all $400, $500 for a finger planting. So it causes a poverty for we right now. We as a farmer now go can find a finger banana to eat. Much less the people that work will go sell it. So it's a piece of stress to reach Jamaica, you know where. We don't know how we are going to manage. We don't know how we are going to manage. So I eat, we live off of.
Yeah,
And when it happen, very rare, we as a small man, we don't have nobody to come give it back. Nothing. So we know giant rod and have tractor, plow land.
So the local farmers,
yeah, the local farmer like we, separation.
Right.
We don't have nobody to come give you back a thing to say, build back yourself. So right as no frustration, depend we don't know how we have to manage, bro.
It's rough.
Rough,